On December 19, 2012, the CRA released revised policy papers to replace the prior collection of information circulars, interpretation bulletins, and application policy papers dealing with SR&ED. According to the CRA, these papers do not represent any change in policy. However, they are silent on several issues, and those issues are now being challenged by CRA staff. We propose that in the absence of any new directives, it is reasonable for claimants to rely on these old directives. Examples of these issues include the following. 1. Ensuring entitlement to exploit. The Canada Revenue Agency's prior directives on this issue stated, quote, "This requirement is considered to be met in cases where the taxpayer has the right to use a patent that results from the SR&ED project or is entitled to distribute and market any product that results from the SR&ED project." End quote. There is no reference to this issue in the current policy papers, and the author has seen situations where claimants are now being told they must own all rights in order to claim SR&ED credits. With respect to SR&ED project examples, the CRA had over 120 published examples of potentially eligible SR&ED technical projects. Currently, they have announced that they are working on a new series, but are unclear when these might be released. In the meantime, we propose that the existing project examples are still relevant and are also adequately supplemented by existing Tax Court of Canada precedents. With respect to filing deadlines for SR&ED, the CRA's prior position was, quote, "If an SR&ED claim is filed within 90 days before the reporting deadline, the CRA should advise the claimant of any deficiencies in the claim." End quote. The new December 2012 policy paper reads, quote, "If the forms are reviewed by the CRA before the SR&ED reporting deadline, the claimant will be allowed, up to the SR&ED reporting deadline, to provide any missing information." End quote. Notably, there is no mention of the 90-day grace period, and this new policy paper also adds to the list of prescribed forms to include the following. Forms T661 and Schedule 31 are the prescribed forms, and will also include any necessary attachments or schedules, including additional forms for non-arm's length costs, payments to universities and third parties, and where there's more than one company under common control, A, the wages for specified employees, and B, allocation of the SR&ED expenditure limits. In the author's opinion, the risk of omitting a related schedule is very high and poses a major concern to SR&ED claimants and preparers alike. It further underlines the importance of filing claims on time whenever possible and carefully reviewing all claims filed near the deadline. We hope you found this information useful. Please feel free to email me any feedback, care of David Sabina, email dsabina, dsabina @meuk.net. Thank you.